I'm making a dress and I've made a muslin of it, and I've worked out that I need to move the dart down. So I'm going to show you how that's done. This is the dress I'm making, just out of interest. It's a 1950s one. But I've done the mock-up out of an old bed sheet. That's what I use for making muslins. But this dart here, the bust dart, really ideally, the point of the bust needs to be at the point of your apex. And this dart here is, it was pointing too high. My boobies are not that high. So I've drawn with a pen where I think that dart needs to finish. Therefore, it will be pointing towards my apex and be in the right place. So I'm going to show you how to alter the pattern to make that fit you better. This is my pattern piece for the bodice front, and here is the dart that I need to move down about 1 inch. So what I did, I traced the pattern piece onto some tracing paper and did all the markings. But what I did on this circle here, you can just see I put the circle as a marker for the dart position. And then I moved my pattern piece up 1 inch, which is what I needed it to be. And I played around so the edges still sort of fit into position, drew in the new dart. That way, the dart is now 1 inch lower and should therefore fit me better.